Hi friends, I am Anil Kumar. Today I am going to speak about how to prepare LLB examination under Karnataka State Law University, Hubli. Next 15 days, KSLU going to conduct examination for second year and fourth semesters of LLB. So within the 15 days we have to study and complete the syllabus. So before that, how to prepare LLB examinations, I am going to explain through this video. As all you are aware, LLB is not an easy subject. It's a very difficult subject. Little preparation is very much essential and it is required to pass the LLB examination. Otherwise, definitely we are going to fail. So how to prepare it? In earlier video, I have discussed about how to score and how to write examinations. I have discussed, but in this video, especially how to prepare it for this LLB examination. First of all, we have to go through syllabus properly. If you know syllabus, if you know subject in macro level, we can able to easily answers. So first of all, we should understand the syllabus and we should understand the subject in a macro level. Many of the people are Kannada medium students, so they are hesitate to write in English. So please don't quit in your mind that I cannot write in English. Any Kannada medium students can write examinations in English. Need not to worry about it. Sometimes you may fail in the first semester or second semester. Definitely if you practice, keep on practice, right, in writing examination, definitely will going to success. Because in English there are plenty of materials are available to study. Whereas in Kannada, very limited sources you can get to study. So that is the reason please prefer to write in a English medium so that you can able to easily score very good marks. So first of all, every student has to thoroughly understand the syllabus and thoroughly understand the subject in a macro level. Then after, you have to get it downloaded minimum 6 years of previous question papers. 6 years of question papers we have to download it from the Karnataka State Law University website. Then after, we have to study each question as per the syllabus. As per the syllabus, we have to study thoroughly and you make it right each questions of 6 years question papers. Like we have to prepare like some set of questions. Like each subject at least minimum 50 questions to be right. So for each questions we have to prepare answers ourselves. We need not to depend on any books, we need not to depend on any other materials. Rather than that, you can get materials, but you have to prepare for your own notes. I can give one example. I have prepared one notes like this. I can show you. Here, I think it is getting ulta. So I cannot able to demonstrate. Sorry. So we have to prepare questions. Then for that questions we have to prepare the answers. Answers in the sense like 10 marks questions will be there and 6 marks questions will be there. So we have to make it 10 marks questions, like we have to write introduction, we have to write section, subsection or articles, we have to write like any definitions of that particular question. Then after we have to precise key points, like 10 key points for 10 question mark, for 10 question 10 key points, and 6 marks question 6 key points. We have to elaborate it like 1 or 2 lines for each key points. Then after we have to write 2 case laws mandatorily. Then after we have to make it conclusion, so that if we prepare like that for each questions, no, you can able to complete the syllabus within a short span time of period. So if you prepare yourself by your own means, every day you have to write. If you write, keep on writing, no, your writing speed will be improved. In examination, many of the people knows the answer, but they cannot complete it in within time period. Why? Because writing is very slow. If you keep on practicing every day writing, definitely your writing skill will be improved, and your reading skill will be improved, and your knowledge will be improved. Every day at least you put effort. 1 hour is enough. Each day 1 hour if you put effort like writing or reading, definitely will going to get outstanding grade. So my suggestion is to prepare 6 years previous question papers. For your own notes you have to prepare it. Sometimes you may not get in the books. You can go through Google. In Google plenty of answers will be available. From that Google you can able to write it. No, your own notes you have to prepare it. My suggestion is to prepare your own notes. If you prepare one notes, no, definitely your concentration, at least if you write one time, is equal to 10 times of reading. So if you write, your writing skill will improve, and your memory power will be sharp, and you will have a one knowledge. We can at least not micro level, at least you can get micro level while writing. So after that, after completion of all subjects, like 5 subjects are there, 5 subjects you have to complete thoroughly, like each question papers 10 marks and 6 marks, around 40 to 50 questions will be coming. 6 years question papers. If you prepare it for 6 years question papers, that is fair enough to score in LLB exams. So many of the people are doing like that only. So this is my simple advice. You have to prepare for 6 years previous question papers, 6 years answers. So while within 15 days, if you take at least one subject, in 2 days you can able to complete it. If you return in your own way, then you can able to read very easily, and you can complete the syllabus very thoroughly, and you can write examination very easily. This is my simple advice as such. So in this video I have explained how to prepare for the LLB examination. Earlier video I have explained about how to score and how to write examination in LLB. So these 2 videos will going to help to complete your LLB examinations. This is very useful. So please be follow. At least you can able to get good marks, and you can able to pass very easily in LLB examination. Thank you.